Ready? Here, can you open it? You know how, or do you need help? Right here? Oh, there we go. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. How many are there?
I got 2.
Should we open them the rest of the way?
Yeah.
You need help or you got it?
I need help. I left my pizza.
Okay.
I want you to open it and then I'm gonna.
Alright, you want to pull it out and show the camera? Wow, that's really pretty. Show the camera. That's so pretty. Let's put it down.
Now let's open this one.
Alright.
Oh, Mama! It's so hard.
You want help? You got it. This is a child extra small, so this should fit really good.
Look, Mama, I did
So you
it.
can pull it out. That one's a child extra small. That's really pretty.
The back of it on there. See?
Oh, your sister fell down.
But who's okay? Look, Mama.
That's so pretty. You want to try them on?
Yeah.
What do you got, Mira?
I got new Leotards.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you know what colors it is?
Yeah. It's pink, white, and blue, and purple.
Wow, that's so pretty. Should we try our other one?
Yeah. Tag.
What do you got on?
Another new Leotard.
What colors are this one?
Pink and black and white.
What do you want to do with this one on?
The bunch.
Okay, let's go try.
It's time for gymnastics.
All right, what are you going to do? Good job. All right, flip your hands, flip your hands. Come on. What did Miss Courtney tell you to do? Good job.